As a sales professional, I have seen many colleagues of mine having 3 years, 5 years, or even 14 years of selling experience getting fired in front of my own eyes. Why? Because they did not possess this single quality or qualification that is required to become a successful salesperson. See, you can be well qualified, you can have a degree from the best business school, but that degree will only get you inside the door. It will not keep you there. The only thing that will keep you ticking in your organization is this single quality that you should have as a salesperson. You know, I when I decided to do sales, I did not have that degree with me. I was a simple graduate, no management degree. Still, I was able to sell better than my colleagues with so many years of experience is just because I had this single quality or qualification inside me that is required by all salespeople to become successful in their profession. Do you know what that single most quality is? The single most quality that will make you successful in your sales profession is to know the art and science behind closing a deal. That's right. Can you close? Can you close a deal? Can you get the check out of your client's pocket? And can you do it again and again every day? Closing is the one quality that you need to have as a salesperson that will help you become successful. Without closing, your degree is nothing. You can be a good boy, you can be a good man, nobody cares. You can be a good husband, you can be a good boyfriend, you can be a good son. But if you are in sales and you don't know how to close, these all things don't matter. So, if you want to become successful in sales, ask yourself, can I close? Don't say, I will try my level best. If you are an experienced salesperson, you should know whether you have this capability to close a deal or not. So never answer this question that I will try my level best to close the deal. No. Whatever experience you have had in sales, what does it show? Does it show that you are a great closer, or does it show that you have tried your level best? Nobody cares how hard you try. They care only how many closes have you done. What kind of business have you brought in the company? That is the single most quality they look in a salesperson. If you can convince your organization that you have the capability of closing and you have the history of closing, then you are on the way to becoming successful in your sales career. But if you don't know how to close and you are not willing to learn how to close a deal, then it is better that you get out of this sales profession, because your life will be full of hurdles, full of thorns, because the customers will be giving you excuses and you will be running between your customer and office trying to overcome that excuse. You will be wasting lots of precious time. So it is a science and an art. Closing is a science and as well as an art. There are certain steps that you need to follow to close a sales. And the way you approach the client using those steps, that becomes an art. It comes with practice. It comes with, if you're passionate about sales, you will do it. You will find a way. If there's not a way, you will create your own way, but you will become a closer. That is what is required in the profession of sales. So, before we conclude, I would like to once again say, if you want to become successful in sales, learn to close your deal.